Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want the complete PDF notes with detailed Hindi and English explanation, then important questions and exam oriented content, then comment PDF below and get the complete PDF for only rupees 49 and watch the full video carefully to understand every topic in an easy Hindi and English language with examples. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exam preparation content. Let's start today's topic. स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बता देना चाहती हूँ कि मैं मैनेजर इकोनॉमिक्स सब्जेक्ट्स आपको पढ़ाऊँगी एंड इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टीच यू द मीनिंग एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैनेजर इकोनॉमिक्स. So let's start the topic, meaning of managerial economics. So managerial economics क्या है? मैनेजर इकोनॉमिक्स का मतलब है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक प्रिंसिपल्स एंड थ्योरीज जो हेल्प करता है मैनेजर्स को बेटर बिजनेस डिसीजंस लेने में एंड इट हेल्प्स इन सॉल्विंग business problems and achieving organizational goals. So managerial economics in simple will understand the managers decide what to produce, क्या प्रोड्यूस करना है, how much to produce, कितना प्रोड्यूस करना है and what price to charge, कितना प्राइस चार्ज करना है उस प्रोडक्ट का and by producing and by setting the price how to increase profits. So that's all the managerial economics. Managerial economics means using economic knowledge to solve problems and make better business decisions. For example, let's understand with the help of an example. Suppose a bakery sells cake for rupees 500 each and the owner notices that sales are decreasing and he studies that customers demand, competitor price and production cost. After analysis, he reduces the price to rupees 450 and sales will increase automatically. So this use of economics for business decisions is called managerial economics. So इकोनॉमिक्स का यूज़ करके हम बिजनेस डिसीजंस लेते हैं और उसको ही हम मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स बोलते हैं. सो if you want the complete PDF notes of managerial economics, then comment below for the complete PDF notes. Comment me, and I hope this explanation help you understand topic easily. And if you want the complete PDF with detailed Hindi and English explanation, examples and important exam questions, then comment PDF below. Complete PDF available for rupees 49 only. For rupees only 49. Do like, share and subscribe for more exam update and important questions. Best of luck for your exams. Thank you for watching.